Unleashing the power of nostalgia, how a Zillennial revived landlines, amassing $120,000 in sales in 3 days. In a world obsessed with the latest gadgets, Goetze, a Zillennial with a unique vision, has sparked a revolution. Amidst the chaos of constant technological advancements, she embarked on a journey to create a sanctuary, free from the distractions of modern devices. 2 years ago, Goetze made a bold decision to disconnect from smartphones and embrace a simpler, low-tech lifestyle. The turning point came when she envisioned a world where landlines were not just relics of the past but a charming, nostalgic accessory. She envisioned a twist on the traditional landline, one that could be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. But there was a catch: she had to make it Bluetooth compatible, ensuring it could seamlessly connect with modern smartphones. Goetze's creation, physical phones, quickly became the talk of the town. The device's unique charm, a pink landline with a twist, captured the hearts of many. It wasn't just about functionality, it was about embracing a simpler, more nostalgic way of staying connected. From home to business empire. In July 2025, Goetze unveiled her creation to the world, seeking feedback. The response was overwhelming. People craved a piece of this nostalgic charm. So, she took the leap and launched an online shop, offering pre-orders for her unique landline. She anticipated a modest response, but what she got was a sales tsunami. In just 3 days, orders poured in, totaling $120,000 worth of phones. Physical phones, with its 5 stylish designs ranging from $90 to $110, became an instant sensation. By October, the business had sold over 3,000 units, generating $280,000 in sales. Goetze's creation felt like capturing lightning in a bottle. How does physical phones work? The magic of physical phones lies in its seamless connectivity. These devices connect to both Android and iPhone users via Bluetooth. When a call comes in, whether it's a regular phone call or a video call from platforms like WhatsApp, FaceTime, Instagram, or Snapchat, the landline device rings, ensuring you never miss a beat. Making outgoing calls is effortless. Users can simply dial the number or press the * button to activate their smartphone's voice assistant and ask it to call a contact by name. It's a simple yet powerful way to bridge the gap between nostalgia and modern convenience.